Welcome to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix your why you can't see your profile view on TikTok problem. So if you're also facing this problem, then you can follow the step which I'm going to show you. And before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit the subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. So first thing first, let's make this clear. If you have turned off your profile views on setting, then you can't see it. So just make sure that it is on, alright, so that we can move on to the next step. To do that, you can click on the three line at the top right of your screen on TikTok. So first, just make sure you're on the TikTok profile to see this three line. And then you want to click on settings and privacy. Once you're inside settings and privacy, the second option where it says privacy, click on it. Now once you click on privacy, you want to scroll all the way down, and the second last option where it says profile views, make sure it's on. So just click on profile views and make sure it's on at the top. Once it's on, then you should be able to see your profile views. If you're still not able to see your profile views, then you need to remember this. Profile views gets resetted every 30 days. So if you're not able to see anybody, then basically nobody has viewed your profile in the last 30 days. That could also be the issue because nobody has viewed your profile, so it's not showing you anything. And the next thing is make sure your TikTok is up to date, because profile view is only available in the latest version of TikTok. So if your TikTok is not up to date, it's also the problem. So update your TikTok. And even after updating your TikTok, if your problem is not fixed, what you want to do is click on the three line at the top right of your screen again and go on settings and privacy. Now once you're inside settings and privacy, scroll all the way down and click on this option called report a problem. Once you click on report a problem, scroll all the way down and click on submit a report. Click on submit a report. And once you're over here, you want to write this: I am not able to see my profile views. Can you help me fix this issue? After you write this, just click on submit. This problem will be submitted to TikTok, and TikTok staff will see it and help you fix your problem. Because in this case, the problem is the internal problem and only TikTok can fix it. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time.